Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now come on today because I've got a happy mail. I've got a happy mail and I've got to say I've opened it. And this is from Nat. Nat Williams. Excuse me. She lives in South Australia. And I seen one of her videos that she did where she did a haul of books and excuse me. And I asked her about a book that she had there, because my husband's always been interested in breeding chooks and has done in the past. And she had this book. She sent it to me. Thank you, Nat. And I think we've got a note, because I had a look. I must say I've had a look. And we have a little note here. Sonia, thank you for your support and inspiration you get from watching you. I'm glad to see this book go somewhere to be appreciated. Happy crafting. Lots of love, Nat. Tell hubby he has a good woman and better appreciate her, and he really does. But he really loved this. Oh, he was so surprised. He was so excited because, you know, and I had to take it off him so I could video this. It's really nice, Nat. Thank you so much. He really enjoys reading these sort of things. No more chook breeding though at the moment, I don't think. Now he's more or less doing bird breeding, but he does have still an interest in it, and he has books that he's collected because well, both of us have a lot of books that we've collected up. So thank you so much for sending me that. I really appreciate that. Thank you. And so does Jeremy. Said thank you very much for that. And also she sent me a little parcel here. Thank you. And you know what this is? Just what I wanted. Isn't that how good that is? It's something I really, really have been looking for, because you can't find anything so pretty anywhere near where I am. Look at these serviettes. Aren't they nice? Look everybody, isn't that pretty? And you get 4 birds. So I'm really excited about that. I love that. And there's this one here. Look at that, and the pretty colours and things you can use. Thank you very much for these, Nat. I really do love these. They are so nice. I couldn't believe it. I thought, oh my goodness, I've actually really truly been trying to find some nice ones. You can get them. We can't get them like here. We can get some, but not these pretty, not these prettier ones. Look. Isn't that beautiful? Love the green. And this here one says, too much of a good thing is wonderful. Oh, yes. Yeah, it could be. It just depends what it is. Yes. A good thing, well, too much food mightn't be good for you. Okay. This is really nice. Thank you. Cupcakes. I'm not a big fan of cake, but anyway, that's nice. I mean, I love that. I'm just not a big fan. Oh, I do love this one. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, I love that. Isn't that nice? Thank you. Oh, look at the lady. The lady's nice too. Oh, that's pretty. Thank you very much. Lead me not into temptation. I can find the way myself. That's true. When I did my I think I put up a video where I said no more shopping. I wrote no more thrift shopping. I've been back twice since I said that. I don't know. I just can't deal. I can't deal with it. I'm just only buying a few things, you know, not buying too much. But anyway, Nat, thank you very, very much for sending this to Jeremy. He really, really loved it. He's got other ones too, and he really enjoys reading them. And you know, he'd like to. Well, sometimes he thinks about getting more chooks, but at the moment there's birds and he's going to get bees still. He hasn't got any yet, but so he'll be busy enough with them. So thank you very much for that, Nat. I really appreciate it. And I love the doilies. So and Nat's a very clever craft lady. So if you want to go and see her YouTube is Nat Williams. If you want to go and watch what she does. And thank you everybody for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.